Hi guys. So I thought you might want to draw a bunny for Easter. Frank and I drew these and drew the little cats to go with them. And then just cut out a half a circle to make a stand. They're kind of fun. Have a go.